Okay, a problem like this is going to be pretty challenging because there are a lot of things going on in the problem. You see there's a couple variables, there's several lines of information you kind of have to sift through. But I maintain that making up numbers is still a much easier way to do this problem. It's still fairly easy to do it that way as compared to trying to do it all in your head, which I think is really difficult even for your top students. So hopefully you can see as I do this example. So during a sale, a customer can buy one shirt for X dollars. So I'm going to make up the X to be equal to 10. Okay, and then it says each additional shirt will cost $2 less than the first shirt. All right, so I'm going to make up Z to be 2. All right, and then it says what will represent the customer's total cost in dollars for N shirts bought during the sale. So let's just say for a second that I'm going to buy 8 shirts total. Okay, so that means when I go in now and I compute things, I've got the one shirt that I spent $10 on, and then since I'm buying 8 shirts total, I'm going to end up having here 7 shirts that I would have spent $8 on. So if I add them all together, I'm going to get a total of 66. So that's what I'm going to look for going in and putting in X is 10, Z is 2, and N is 8. So I can go ahead and go in and check all of my options. So here I'm going to have 10 plus 7 times 8. That's going to give me 66. So that one probably is the answer, but we'll see. I'm just going to check the other ones just to make sure that I didn't pick an example that made one or more option correct. So this time I have 10 plus 8 times 8. Okay, that's not going to be the answer. That's going to be 74, so that can't be right. And then I'm going to have 8 times 8. That's going to be 64. That can't be right. All right, then I'm going to have 10 plus 8 is 18 over 8. That's not even an integer, so that's out. And then I'm going to have X minus Z is 8 plus 8 over 8, which is going to be 9. That's clearly not the answer either. So you can see that with my example, the only one that gave me the total cost of 66 was option A, so therefore option A is the answer. So I know when I was in high school, I used to try to do these in my head, and I found it like really difficult to do. So, but you can see it's pretty easy just doing it by making up numbers, even for the ones that would be towards the end of the section.